All right, so this is the concept application question that you all have been assigned. So this is the one that you're actually going to write and answer. I just wanted to read through it and go over it with you and get you thinking about how you're going to respond. So it says, the Constitution was an attempt to address the problems of decentralization that were experienced under the Articles of Confederation. So under Part A, it says, list 3 problems of decentralized power that existed under the Articles of Confederation. For each problem you listed, identify one solution that the Constitution provided to address the problem. So I want you to think back to your Articles versus the Constitution assignment. This is where this is going to come into play. So you are going to list 3 problems of decentralized power. So what this means is that the federal government is not holding the power. This is where states are holding the power. There is no central government under those Articles of Confederation. So what are 3 problems that we talked about? 3 weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation. Now, where you list those 3 weaknesses, you're going to identify how the Constitution is giving a solution to that problem. So the weakness of the Articles of Confederation, the solution found in the Constitution. This is Part A. So you are just going to list, okay, so this doesn't have to be a huge long paragraph, those 3 problems and then the solutions. For Part B, it says some have argued that the tensions between decentralized and centralized power continue to exist. Support this argument by explaining how one of the following illustrates the continuing tension: environmental policy, gun control, disability access. So this is where you are going to look at tensions between state and federal power, okay, that they continue to exist. So pick one of the following and explain where you can see tensions between decentralized and centralized power, or think of it as state and federal power. So I think the easiest one here would probably be gun control. You see that a lot in the news. But if you want to talk about environmental policy or disability access, go right ahead. So pick one of those 3, support your argument by explaining how one of the following illustrates that tension. So that is how you are going to answer this question. Okay, so do Part A, do Part B.